I'm flossing in my Chevy. I'm riding in my.
Oh, y'all, it's your boy ENTHUSIAST Rock 254 and bring y'all an update. If y'all followed me on Instagram, then a couple of days ago, you already saw what was happening and stuff. But I'm bringing you up to speed. So you can see I got the AC line. Well, you can barely see. I got the AC line hooked up. Going to the condenser and back over here to the evaporator. I'm actually going to run this one. I'm gonna see what happens. I'll probably end up changing out this because it's recommended for the warranty or whatever. However, as far as the going ahead and changing out the condenser and the evaporator, I'm gonna hold off on that until I know for sure. Might be able to save some money. I did get the evaporators in. So in case we need it, I mean a condenser's in here. The evaporator is here. Evaporator's here, condenser's there, and I mean I might end up just eventually swapping it all out, but for now I don't know. I'm gonna just leave it as it is. Electric fans, that was in the last video y'all seen. I kind of shined up the little plates, so it's gleaming like new money. Still after work tomorrow, I still got to come back and wire in the inline fuse for the relays for the fans. As far as the interior, probably gonna be hard for y'all to see. Oh snap, son! Look at that! We got a light up in this bitch. Headliner back up. Got the light wired up, LED up that thing. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of bright, not that bright. I need to find this. Oh shit. The light is supposed to be over here. It's not all the way out like it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be down like that. So it'll better light the bottom area and whatnot. But as you can see, got the new carpet in. Yeah, so we got a light up there, light down over here. Probably end up putting some LEDs down there in those. Find out what bulbs those are. Get them from work or get them ordered in. So yeah, that's big progress. Tomorrow after work, we'll finish trimming the carpet and getting it put in. Get the back seats put in and everything. But other than that, the only thing that we really have to do on the inside, man, is mount this switch for the roof, get it wired up, as well as the dash. Get the AC system vacuumed down, fill it up with Freon and see what happens. So I'll bring y'all back after that. We're gonna get a vacuum, get all that popping, happening, and go from there. It's your boy. Bring y'all an update out here working on the Chevy, man, trying to get this AC together. I told you I was gonna bring y'all back to the interior once it was break. See it. So I gotta put them seats in there. I was gonna do that, but my focus was too easy to do them seats. Ran into an issue. My crowd was over here kicking with me. So this is the issue, problem, whatever. I messed around and I got the wrong compressor. It's the right compressor for for this bracket. However, it's the wrong one to fit the hose. This hose was leaking. Well, not the new one, but the old one was leaking, and it was leaking from the back. So I was like, well, damn, what the hell could it be? Well, after we took it off and then went to try to put the new one on, did some fitting, like, damn, that shit ain't fitting right. All right, next step. Let me backtrack and then see exactly which one was it that I used. And come to find out, it was, I got the wrong AC compressor. This AC compressor is for a 91 to 93. Thus, this fancy plug. However, the one that I need is for 87 to 89 or 87 to 90, which that's the same compressor this hose is for, and that's why them bitches wasn't playing well together. So we almost there. We got the vacuum and shit. Got the gauges. Shout out to my boy for lending them to me. I'm gonna have to put this out in the garage so I can run and go get this fucking compressor before the store closed. I didn't want to go back up there tonight. I already worked today, but for the good of progress, man, to hit this deadline and get this AC blowing, I'm gonna do it, man. So I'll let y'all know. On the back of the other compressor, it was some indentions on this one here, as you can see. Pretty much flat with gaskets, and that's what we need. I already test fitted the hose at the store. You know what I'm saying? Ain't gonna be no fool. Not twice. What happened was, man, I just grabbed a compressor that had that plug. The plug on this one is different, so I'll actually have to go back and use where did I put it at? It won't be this one, but it'll be the first one that we had. It's around here somewhere. So let me get this put back on, and then we can get back to the process. 5 minutes direct. I mean, I held y'all attention doing something else so that I could buy me some time to do what I need to do over here. So I just went live for like 2 hours, and yeah, as you can see, we got everything vacuumed down. Right now it is at 0 and holding, or that negative 30 and holding. Vacuum down the system. Like I said, it seems to be holding. It's been about 45 minutes after we cut it off, and it still seems to be holding vacuum. So for that, we're good to go. Probably in the morning. We'll go ahead and put the Freon in there and see what it do. Shout out to my boy Danny. Danny's seen that I was asking about something in one of the videos, and sent me this package. I got it flipped on this side so y'all can see the address. Inside of this package, I'll show you what we got. Inside of the package, as you can see here, this is exactly what we need. This is the part that's inside of there. It goes down into the blend door to move it. And then this is the part that controls, this right here goes to that. And then this, I believe, is like connected to the wire that like moves it, like from, close to open. So this right here was the main thing. So shout out to Danny, man. Appreciate you sending this to me. He was like, hey bro, I think I got what you're looking for. I was like, all right, cool, bet. You know what I'm saying? I was like, shit, how much? Let me know. So he was like, bro, shit, happy birthday, man. So shout out to Danny, man. I appreciate that, brother. By the time you see this video, man, by the time you see this video, if you still need mass airflow sensor, let me know. I decided that I decided that the mass airflow sensor that I have, I'm not going to use because I'm going to run speed density. I don't know where it's at, but I'll find it. It's somewhere around this bitch. But yeah, I decided I'm pretty much going to just run speed density on the Cutlass. Oh, there you go. Ta-da! Yeah. So I decided I'm gonna run speed density on the Cutlass. So if you need this mass airflow still, brother, let me know. I'll get it out to you. I got your address because you just sent me something. So just let me know and I'll get that out to you, man. That's just showing my appreciation, man, you know, for sending me that. Vital piece, you know, as a vital piece and right on time as we continue to get ready to, you know what I'm saying, get this air conditioning going in the box Chevy. So I'm gonna wrap this thing up for the night, man. It's your boy LSJ254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make your strength. Life is all about choices, choose wisely, and productivity over procrastination. And remember, if the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Don't.